tail. Off in the distance.
Pigeon!
Hello.
Hello!
I introduced you to Rose. I said, see, going?
Little leg. Paw. Paw, where's your left side? Left side. Cool. Thank you. This is how you walk. Okay, when I say left side, I don't mean spin her in a left circle. I mean close your left leg. Shoulder back. Close your fingers around the reins. Two legs. Two legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Two legs, two hands, three paws. Woo-hoo. Very good. Roll. This is getting fast. Move your way. All right. Maybe. Outside rein, outside leg. Outside rein, outside leg. 3, 2. Very good. Tall. It's all right, just don't chase her. Do not chase her. She can trot it. Lovely.